Car expansion valve, what it does, common failures, and when to replace it. If your car's AC isn't blowing cold air like it used to, it might not just be low refrigerant or a bad compressor. One often overlooked component that can cause cooling problems is the car expansion valve. This small but essential part controls how much refrigerant enters the evaporator, making it a key player in your vehicle's air conditioning performance. What is a car expansion valve, and what does it do? The expansion valve in a car acts as a metering device in the AC system. Its job is to regulate the refrigerant flow into the evaporator by converting high-pressure liquid refrigerant into a low-pressure mist. This allows the refrigerant to absorb heat from the cabin, giving you that cool breeze on hot summer drives. Without a properly functioning AC expansion valve, the entire air conditioning system can become inefficient or even stop working. Expansion valve failure symptoms. Like any mechanical part, the expansion valve can fail over time. It may become clogged with debris, wear out, or get stuck in the open or closed position. Here are the most common expansion valve failure symptoms to look out for. Car AC not blowing cold air. Inconsistent or weak cooling performance. Ice buildup on the evaporator or AC lines. Rapid cycling of the AC compressor. Unusual hissing or bubbling noises from the AC system. These are all signs that the automotive AC system is struggling to regulate refrigerant flow properly, often due to a faulty expansion valve. When should you replace the expansion valve? If your mechanic confirms that your car expansion valve is bad, it's best to replace it sooner rather than later. Driving with a malfunctioning valve can cause strain on other AC components like the compressor and evaporator. Expansion valve replacement usually involves recovering the refrigerant from the system, disconnecting and removing the old valve, installing a new one, recharging the system with refrigerant. It's not the most expensive AC repair, but because it involves refrigerant handling and system diagnosis, it's typically done by professionals. Final thoughts on AC repair and expansion valve issues. If you're experiencing poor cooling or inconsistent AC performance, don't overlook the expansion valve. It's a small component with a big responsibility in your car's air conditioning system. Recognizing the signs of a bad expansion valve early can help you avoid bigger repairs down the road and keep your rides cool and comfortable. Need help with car air conditioning repair? Consult your local auto repair shop for a proper diagnosis and air conditioning system service. Whether it's low refrigerant, a leaking compressor, or a bad expansion valve, addressing AC issues early saves time, money, and discomfort, especially during the summer months.